The holidays can be all about the unhealthy yet very yummy food, but what if we told you holiday cooking can be healthy and tasty? Here with me is nutrition expert Ashley Reinke-Hawk to show us how to make fast, healthy, and festive holiday dishes in less than 10 minutes. Less than 10 minutes, Ashley, is that possible?
It is possible, and not only that, but it can also be tasty, delicious, and nutritious.
I know, we think about the holidays and it's like, oh, I've got to make some room. I got to work out now because I'm going to be eating later. But you're saying we can do both, and obviously you've brought a very colorful, delicious looking array of foods, but this stuff is healthy.
Yes, so you know, the holidays, it's all about moderation and really preparing the right things ahead of time so that you know what you're going to be eating the day of and being able to incorporate some really delicious, nutritious components as well.
Awesome.
And sometimes it's being able to bump up the nutrition and the flavor in places we least expect it.
Okay.
So that's what's going to be really fun too.
So
We're
yeah,
actually going to get started with a pumpkin spice breakfast muffin.
Is that one, this one right here?
Yeah,
Oh,
that's this one over here.
Those do look yummy. I've been having to keep my hands away.
They are delicious and they're really basic. So we're actually gonna make them here. We've got rolled oats.
Okay.
And then we're gonna add in 3/4 a cup of pumpkin puree.
Pumpkin puree. Well, I guess it's going to add some sweetness.
It's going to add some sweetness, and also what people don't realize is pumpkin is naturally super hydrating. It's only 45 calories per cup.
Well, that sounds good.
So it's also a low-calorie alternative
Right.
to being able to use some heavy oils or butters to bind your muffins. Do you want to go ahead and add that cinnamon in over there too?
Sure. All of it?
Yeah,
Put
so
it
that's
all in.
pumpkin pie spice. It's kind
Okay.
of got everything in there. So you'll see there were just 5 ingredients that we were using.
And this looks like it's very easy to make. Under 10 minutes.
Very
Man,
easy
we
to
all,
make.
We all can use the extra time, so when we can get this stuff done quickly.
Exactly.
be on
So
the go.
see how this starts to incorporate together?
Yes.
And you get this nice kind of thick batter.
Nice.
You're also going to get tons of fiber in these muffins, which is going to keep you feeling full all day.
Okay.
So this is a perfect treat to make, say, Thanksgiving morning.
Yeah.
So you have something to munch on until you're ready to go for lunch.
Easy, ready, and easy to
Yeah,
go.
and then all we're going to do is throw in these chocolate chips.
Oh, we
And
all like
then-
the chocolate chips.
Exactly. And, you know, kids love this because it's got kind of that yummy chocolate flavor. You could also change it a little bit, add some coconut or add a little bit of blueberries, you know, kind of whatever you want to do. And then you can serve it with maybe a side of yogurt or a little bit of fresh jam.
Oh, that looks great, and it's healthy. And so once you mix it all together, you just kind of pop it in a tin, in a muffin
Exactly.
tin?
So once this is completely mixed together like this, you're just going to scoop it into your cupcake tray, bake it for about 10 minutes, and then you're ready to go.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah.
What else do we have?
All right, so moving down the line, as your day kind of progresses forward and it's Thanksgiving and you're in the kitchen, you're busy, this is a treat I created mostly for the actual cooks in the kitchen.
All right.
Because you're smelling that food all day long, but you don't necessarily want to be eating it.
Yes.
But you still need a little snack or something to
Something
keep you
to power
hydrated.
through.
Exactly, like those busy mamas being like, I'm making all this food and I can't eat any of it. So this is a great snack that you can make ahead of time and you can nibble on, and it's guilt-free, and it's actually going to be really hydrating because the base is cucumbers.
Ooh.
So this is a white bean spicy cucumber dip. So what we've gone ahead and done is just sliced up some cucumbers. You'll see the finished ones over here. But then all you'll do is take your large cucumber, slice it into chunks, and then you're gonna use an immersion blender to combine white beans with some fresh spices, some cumin, some paprika. I actually put a little bit of cayenne pepper in there.
Just for a little kick.
I love that spicy kick, and it's so refreshing when you've been in the kitchen all day. And then all you're gonna do is put it into a little bag, and then you can put it directly onto.
Just like you're frosting those cucumbers.
Just like you're
Look
frosting
at that. How cute.
And these you can seriously make them in under 5 minutes. And then all you can do is just put them on a tray. You can offer them to your guests as they come by.
You've added some cherry tomatoes on those ones.
Yeah, added cherry
And you
tomatoes.
just pop them, little appetizer or a little, like you said, that little energy to
What
get
a
through.
great snack when you're cooking all day long.
Nice.
So this next one is a sweet potato puff, and I
Ooh,
love this
sweet
because it's
potatoes.
sweet and savory.
Yes.
So sweet potatoes, we always think of sweet potato casserole. How boring is that? I mean, I love sweet potato casserole. Don't
But
get me
there's
wrong.
other things we
There's
can do.
other great things we can do with sweet potatoes. So what we have done here is we have a mashed sweet potato that we had baking in the oven or in the microwave.
And then just mash it up, okay?
Mash it up, and then we have this sauteed. It's kale and broccoli, just a little bit chopped up.
That sounds healthy.
It is healthy, so we're also going to get some kind of like healthy components in
Got
there.
those greens.
Exactly, get those greens. And then this is the kind of like more fun part to it. We've got some puff pastry. So all you're going to do is take your puff pastry sheet. You're going to cut it into about 2 by 2 squares.
Oh my gosh.
And then you're going to take these squares, put them directly into your muffin tin, like so. And you can stretch them out too. They don't need to be perfect. Remember, in cooking, it's all about having fun. It doesn't need to be perfect. It's always going to taste great in the end. And then all you're going to do is take a scoop of your sweet potato mixture, put it right into your
And then it's
cupcake
ready
tray,
to bake.
And then you're going to bake it, and they're going to come out looking just like this.
This is so awesome. Ashley, you've given me 3 great recipes really quickly. Where can people go for all of the ideas you have to be ready in 10 minutes?
Absolutely. So you can go to my website, which is ashleyranke.com. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, which you'll find a link to on my social media at Ashley A. Ranke.
Okay, Ashley, thank you so much. This looks delicious. Thanksgiving's coming quick.
This interview involves commercial content. The products and services featured appear as paid advertising.